Hey guys, last fan of the night.
Last fan of the night.
So what we got here is a
Last fan of the night.
42-inch Nadair Ceiling Fan. We don't know the model of it,
I
or
don't know the model name. Of
the model's on there, and the can arm we just tested. The model's BF42.
BDF 42.
What?
BDF 42.
BDF 42. I wish
Yeah.
I went into Alex's video to see before doing the video.
Whatever.
But anyways,
This is a trash find.
so yeah, this is a trash
I
find.
found this fan while walking with Brian Finna fans while he was in Montreal. So, to like kind of honor him, I thought about giving this to Brian next time I could bring it.
Yeah. So you'll give this to him at some point?
Yeah.
All right.
It's not really anything special. It's just that it's a cool fun.
Yeah. And actually,
I almost tossed it because I
oh,
didn't have anything, and we were like far from home. We were not even close, like from
Yeah.
here.
so
And then Brian convinced me to keep it. And I was like, no, I kind of want to toss it somewhere else. And I did keep it, and now it's there.
yeah, good thing you did keep it. So actually, the area that Alex and Brian found this fan, we actually went through that area today, me and Alex.
Yeah.
I'll tell you guys where it's near that glass shop with those two Four Seasons
Yes.
spinners. So yeah,
Yeah.
that just for reference.
For a quick reference.
Yes,
Uh,
it's near there. It's along there.
Light on.
So yeah, let's get the light on. This is the light. It's using LED bulbs. Oh, goodness me.
Want to turn on the fan?
All right, and we'll go on and turn on the fan.
Had a bit of a delay.
I actually saw the Nadair sticker on there,
There is something else on the right side.
but it's not in my view.
You could zoom in or something. I don't know. Feels so good.
Oh yeah, about the can arm. I didn't change the title to call them BDF 42s, the black and white ones that I saw.
And there's even like a gold stripe on the motor, even though it's a bottom mount spinner.
Yeah, this. Oh, there's a gold. Is that a gold stripe?
It is.
Oh, yeah. So onto this fan. Yeah. So
And at low speed is very, very fast.
yeah,
It's very fast for low speed.
yeah. I guess we'll turn it on medium now.
Yes. This fan has a good medium.
Yeah. Yeah, so Alex and Brian found this in the trash after I went back home with Cormac.
Yeah. Boo hoo. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Boo hoo on that.
Yeah. Oh, actually, I was about to say, maybe Cormac will see this one day when you can bring it to Brian.
Yeah.
'Cause it'll probably be a group trip.
Well, yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna bring it. Well, now here's high. Actually, wobbles a little less.
So yeah, this is medium.
Yeah, put it on high.
All right, so now let's put it on high.
Actually, wobbles a lot less than when I tested it with Brian.
Oh wow. So there's probably a model number on this. We just have to look.
Yeah.
Oh, it's starting to wobble now.
You can see, can't see it, there's a shadow. Well, you can't see it in the frame, but it's wobbling. Wobbly fan! Turn the light on.
Oh, I'm feeling a lot of it. Feeling a lot of air standing under this, and I can hear it making some noise.
Yeah, it hums.
And here's the fan and light on simultaneously.
Alright. Spin down.
Alright, so spin down, and actually, no, I'll do it when it's finished spinning down.
You can hit the reverse switch and the light.
Yeah, make sure this time not to forget the light.
Yeah. Spin down is much longer on this.
Oh, yeah. I hope it's, yeah, it's not the portable fans making it long.
No, the portable fans are blowing away from the fan.
Yeah.
It's just so hot on how these blasting on. I'll do that so you don't forget.
Okay. There we go, so you'll just do it for
I'll
me.
turn it on right now.
No, don't turn it on yet. Don't ruin the spin down.
Ruined. How dare you? How dare you?
Oh, if Brian was here, he'd be saying, "How dare you ruin the spin down?" And it has come to a complete stop. And now here's reverse
Yes.
on high. All right.
Medium speed. Medium speed. Little behind the scenes. Alright, low speed.
Yep.
that list speed is pretty fast.
Yeah.
So yeah, what's cool that I found this another
Yeah.
freebie.
Yep.
I don't really get a lot of ceiling fans this year.
I know.
I think all the fans I got were free. I got SMC B42s, these SMC Scandinavian, and this.
Yeah.
And
So yeah, I think the next time you'll get a lot of ceiling fans will be when you're able to drive to Fanimation.
And I did get a new fan recently from my neighbors who was renovating an apartment, and I thought this fan came from a Subway because it was a 5-blade antique brass GE vent with flush mount.
All right, there's a fan and light on reverse.
Oops. Here's the fan and light.
No, it's the portable fan now.
Portable fan light.
All right, so I guess we're ready to shut it off now.
Yeah.
All right, well, that is it for this fan. So anyways, or that's it for fan testing today or tonight.
Yeah, well, tonight.
That's all.
Tonight. Let's last on the night.
Yep, so that's it for fan testing tonight. So anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching. And as always, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. And peace out.
See you, everybody.